Most of you guys are worried that I placed the order, but when I placed the order, t-shirt was out of stock and I placed the order and I am unable to claim the swags back. Is there any way to get the t-shirt back? Also, most of you have made some silly mistakes while selecting the t-shirt size, hoodie size, and in some address and name issues. So here we'll cover this basic doubts. Do not worry. Here we'll cover everything step by step. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. And you're watching the video for the first time and you haven't claimed the prizes yet. In the description box, I've shared the master guide. Make sure to watch it. Here, if you are from Ranger to Legend tier, how to claim the prizes. Similarly, if you are from the novice to trooper tier, you can watch this video. Here I will cover all the things how to claim the prizes and how safely your swags will be delivered. So make sure to watch it. Now coming to the topic directly, based on your experience that you have ordered the swags that has been successfully placed, but if you click on the URL, you are seeing no t-shirts are listed over there. Also, some of you have added incorrect details like name, number, mobiles, how to get it corrected. So first thing you need to understand, here is a simple way. You need to mail them. See, whatever email you have received, you have to use the same email and contact to their support team. Okay. For novice to trooper, there is Printos, and for ranger to legend, there is white squaring. Here is the email. You can watch it and take a snapshot, or you can just mail them. Here is a sample template also, because most of the guys were asking. So depending on your request, you have to update it. For example, if you want to update the delivery address, just mention delivery address only. Add t-shirt size, you can mention it. Missing t-shirt size, just add the subject, and here hello to the support team with which tier you are having. You have to check your mail that from which URL you are getting the swags, Printos or white square. Then you have to write this all the things. Okay, then make them that I have ordered the swags and t-shirt was missing. Please add the t-shirt to my order, or correct my information. Like by mistake, I have added incorrect address. You have to share the previous address detail. Just copy from the order URL. Okay, or just share the updated details like full name, mobile number. If you want to update the t-shirt size, hoodie size, just mention that and update all the things. Okay. Now here after that you have to add your full name and just submit it. Now here in the address section, I want to clarify that your address should be complete. Like make sure the address is complete. If you are living in a village, you can get your swags delivered in city if anyone is living in city. And if you are purely in village, like no one is there in city with whom you can just get the swags delivered. So in that case, you need to understand that you have to enter complete address. So in village area, most of the people know the postman and the delivery guy know by their father's name or by their grandmother's or grandfather's name. Okay, so you have to just mention like your grandfather name. Okay, then your father name. Okay, you can mention, and then your name. And after that, you have to mention any nearby locality if there is any school. Okay, like this, if there is any school, you have to mention the school. And after that, if there is any nearby temple, hospital, anything you have to mention. Okay, famous landmark. Landmark means famous places. So it can be school, hostel, colleges, anything. Okay. After that, you have to mention your city and state. For example, it's Maharashtra for me. Just add Pune, and then just add the pin code. Enter your pin code correctly. Do not follow whatever I'm writing. And mobile number, if you direct follow the video, okay, you can just add the mobile number also. If you want, just add the country code also. Okay, like 9162, depending on your country. For India, it's 91, and for Indonesia, it's 62. Okay, plus 62, and then your number. After that, just mail them. They'll update the details in their records, and you'll be getting. See, important thing is that you need to mail by 14 days. Okay, by 14 days you have from today till 14 days. Even they'll consider, I think, for no, they won't consider. They have mentioned it already that you need to claim your swags and update the details by before the price counter closes. So it will be closing in 31st of January. Okay, it will be closing in 31st of January. So till then, just complete all the things, all the formalities so that you get the swags very easily. So this was the quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.